From protecting consumers from added fees to clawing back executive bonuses, members of Congress want to make changes to the U.S. banking system in the wake of Silicon Valley Bank's collapse. First, Senator Elizabeth Warren and Congresswoman Katie Porter want to reinstate stricter oversight. In 2018, Congress passed a bipartisan bill which increased the threshold for certain protections like stress tests from banks with $50 billion in assets to $250 billion. The Secure Viable Banking Act would repeal those deregulations.
Let's make sure these banks are playing by the rules and making sensible decisions so that the depositors and taxpayers don't end up holding the bag.
But Republicans and even moderate Democrats aren't willing to support this proposal.
I think that's a bit of a knee-jerk reaction. I don't support it. Again, liquidity is the issue here, and not whether it's capital requirements. Clearly, that wasn't the problem here.
To make all Silicon Valley Bank depositors whole, the Biden administration is imposing what's called a special assessment on banks. Senator Josh Hawley says that's a fancy way of saying fees. So he's bringing forward a bill to stop banks from passing government-imposed fees onto consumers.
If a Missouri community bank failed, I promise you what the line would be from all the D.C. lobbyists is, oh, that's just business. That's creative destruction. That's the market. But when it is a Silicon Valley bank full of tech billionaires who are uber politically connected, oh no, then it's systemic risk. Then it's a contagion.
Senator Richard Blumenthal is introducing legislation that would take back bonuses paid to executives just ahead of a collapse. SVB employees received pre-scheduled bonuses the day before the FDIC takeover. A couple weeks ago, the CEO and CFO collectively sold about $4 million in stock.
They were self-dealing, paying themselves bonuses. Those bonuses and all self-dealing in stock transactions that benefit top management when banks are taken over ought to be clawed back.
The Justice Department is beginning a new program to claw back the bonuses and compensation of failed corporate leaders. The program officially begins today, so it's not clear if Silicon Valley Bank executives will be impacted. I'm Ray Bogan reporting from the Capitol. For more, head to straightarrownews.com.